And they're very sturdy feeling. The handles are soft and smooth. They're very smooth. We're going to find out if this is what it looks like on Amazon. That's hot. And it's heavy. Do you know what brand That's Hot is? It is Paris Hilton. And they are it's supposed to be a 12-piece pink cook set for my new channel, so I can have matching cookware. And it's supposed to be non-stick, dishwasher safe, all the good stuff. And let's see what we actually got. What's in the box? So I've never tried any of Paris and Hilton's stuff before, but I like it. It was only $79.97 plus tax on eBay. And again, it is a 12-piece. If I could get it open. So $80 for 12 pots and pans. That's a pretty good deal. And oh, these do look nice. They're all fancy. They come with her little Paris Hilton cookware set. It is brand new Teflon, and it is nice. It's got the non-slide, non-burn, non-stick. This one's the 2-quart, and it is a beautiful color. You should be able to see what's cooking inside it very nicely. That's actually really nice. I like it. They have matching lids with gold, so we did pink and gold. And see, we gotta match all the pieces together. Like Christmas. Oh, look, it even comes with this crazy little pink foam. Alright, that's the 2-quart. This is the 5-quart. And it is, I like gold and pink. It's a nice little combination. And it smells new. Okay, here is my saucepan. A small saucepan. This is a 8-inch. We can make pancakes in this. And every piece is supposed to have a lid. So let's match them up. We got a match. So far, I'm very happy with my set. Oh, I guess 12-piece would be the lids and the pots and pans. So there's probably 6 pots and pans, right? This is nice. This is like a 3.5 quarts. You can make chicken cacciatore in that. Okay. I don't think I'm getting all the pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got 8 pieces. Well, I don't know why they said 12-piece, but this one is the 8-piece. And I have let's see here. Alright, so we have the 2 saucepans, a 9.5 inch and a 8-inch. And they're very sturdy feeling. The handles are soft and smooth. They're very smooth. Feels like velvet. This is probably definitely something Paris Hilton designed. Alright, so we got 2 saucepans and we got a bigger saucepan, 3.5 quarts. And I'm assuming these lids, okay, so the lids just mix match. So, actually that one doesn't have a lid. These two share this lid. And this one doesn't have a lid. And then these two have a lid. So this is like a nice boiling pot for macaroni. And we can make some sauces and anything we need. So let me know what you think about this Paris Hilton 8-piece. And thanks for watching my unboxing, and I hope you check out what I decide to cook in these next.